Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable developer options and USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. Now in those settings, we want to scroll all the way down on the left side. We want to go over into About Phone at the bottom. And now we scroll down to software information. We want to go over and tap on the build number a couple of times. As you guys can see, 3 taps away, 2 taps away, 1 tap away, and now we are a developer once we confirm our password if we have one. Now we want to click on OK, and developer mode has been enabled. We're going to go to developer options, and to enable USB debugging, first we have to find it. So of course you can use the search, but if you don't want it, you can just easily go over into the debugging. As you guys can see, it is blocked by AutoBlocker. So you cannot do anything to it, but if you really want to, you can go over and open up the privacy and security right here. What are we going to do now is we're going to go and scroll down a little, go to AutoBlocker, and here you can disable it. Of course, you have to scan your fingerprint, and now it will ask you to turn it on again in 30 minutes. So you can also change it in the AutoBlocker settings, but as you guys can see, I would simply disable it here. Now it is turned off, and here we can go to developer options. Now we can scroll down and we can enable the USB debugging. As you guys can see, it's intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data. So once you enable it, it will be done. That's how you guys can enable developer options and USB debugging. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.